How to delete Litmatch account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So first of all, you have to open up your Litmatch. After that, in the right lower button corner, you can see the profile icon. Simply tap on that. After that, you can see the settings like option in the right upper corner. Simply tap on that. After that, scroll down below and you'll be able to see the account option. Simply tap on that. After that, you'll be able to see the deactivate account option. Tap on that. And here you have to select all the options and tap on agree. After that, you have to tap on confirm. And finally, your account will be deactivated and you can either log in again or add a new account. So by following this simple step, you can delete Litmatch account. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.